like scones or cake or whatever. And so you can.
I got
Did you take a note of
yeah,
white stuff as
yeah,
well?
I know.
missed that part.
No, I got it. I'll show it to you.
Oh,
I got the video.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So
If you have your email addresses, I can mail the video.
Yeah.
It's not the best video I've taken, but you know, something
Whatever,
is better.
as you get up here into the sides, this is where you want to work it into the sides because you want it in here, so you don't get a hairline crack there. And the way you do that is you got to work it in. So you got to work it from the middle to the outsides. So like I'll fill that with right, but it's also packing in there tight. So you know, you see me taking it out of the middle and I'm working it in. Right, you can always put more in. But as I'm working it from the middle, I'm packing it tightly into the edges. And as it levels out in the edge, you can see where it starts getting harder.
Here's some water.
Right?
Trying to get a lot of it pretty fast. Can we get one or two more people on the cob tarps so that we keep things moving forward?
Well, how about bring some people over here for this part because this is the insulation going in.
Do you want people to see anything besides what we've just seen?
Uh,
On the insulation?
no, just
You just
how to
want
pack it into
like
the
a
edges.
couple, 3 people to be able to practice that?
Yeah, I'm just about to give it to somebody else.
Okay. We
Okay.
are volunteers here.
So, the two sides I did is I packed it into this side and I packed it into this side. You can see me starting to make a divot there. Those two sides, from about here to here, need to be packed in. And you'll be pulling stuff from the edges or from the middle and moving it to the edge. And it's not a lot of force. It's just enough to get it to start packing. And as it packs into the edge, you can feel it start getting harder. You know, you can feel the difference in where it's packed versus where it's not.
Just working the airspace out of it in
You're
between
just
them.
working the airspace out and sticking this stuff together, but you don't want to put a lot of pressure on it. You know, it's just light pressure, and you want to work it so it's firm all the way around. When we put the bricks on it, we want about this same firmness, basically. Then we put the bricks on it, and we have the same level, and this stuff won't shrink on us, right?
The other float you had.
I don't know. I gave it to
Did I have
Kurush.
everybody's
Where's another
attention for
float?
just a few minutes? We're finding